My first job was as an analyst at a large tech company. I didn't have fancy degrees, no big certifications, no elite internships. What I had was this, Excel. I remember being at a group interview for a business analyst role. There were candidates from IOTS, people quoting technical jargon, and honestly, I felt invisible. Until the manager asked, "Can anyone here clean and analyze a messy sales report in Excel right now?" My hand shot up. They shared a spreadsheet with broken formulas, duplicate entries, and missing data. I stayed calm. Within 10 minutes, I used VLOOKUP, if, COUNTIF, pivotables, and some conditional formatting to turn the chaos into a clean dashboard. Everyone else was still figuring out how to start. The room went quiet. And then the hiring manager smiled and said, "We don't need fancy words. We need people who can actually do the work." I got the job. That moment changed everything for me. See, we often underestimate Excel because it sounds basic. But here's the truth, in 80% of office jobs, Excel is still the silent engine behind reporting, automation, and decision-making. Mastering it made me faster, more valuable, and honestly indispensable in my early roles. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not an Excel expert. I still have a lot to learn. But I do know this, you don't have to be a genius. You just need to be willing to learn. I didn't wait for someone to teach me. I found tutorials online. I recreated dashboards from scratch. I practiced with real data. Excel became my hidden weapon, turning me from an I-can-do-it intern into the person who could solve problems that others couldn't. And today, every new hire I mentor, I tell them the same thing. Don't ignore Excel. It's not just spreadsheets. It's your shortcut to proving your worth. Before the degree, before the MBA, before the big break, because the job didn't go to the smartest candidate. It went to the one who could solve the problem fast. Remember that feeling when you learned something new in Excel? The satisfaction of turning data into insights? That's the feeling of true professional growth, so don't wait. Invest in yourself today. Learn Excel, master it, and let it be your secret weapon in the office. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Thank you for watching.